Welcome to our comparison of stocks and cryptocurrencies. Both offer opportunities for investors, but they have significant differences. Stocks represent shares in a company, while cryptocurrencies are decentralized digital assets. Today, we'll compare them on various aspects to help you make an informed decision. With stocks, you own a piece of a company and may receive dividends. They are regulated by governmental bodies. Cryptocurrencies, on the other hand, are digital coins or tokens on a distributed ledger called blockchain. They offer features like anonymity, fast transactions, and decentralization. They are not regulated by any central authority. Stock prices are affected by company performance, industry trends, and economic factors. They tend to be less volatile. Cryptocurrency prices are driven by supply and demand, market sentiment, technological advancements, and regulatory news. Cryptos can be extremely volatile, leading to potential for both high gains and losses. Stocks are typically bought and sold through brokers. The process is straightforward and familiar to most investors. Cryptocurrency can be bought on exchanges or directly from others. The process can be more complex, requiring understanding of wallets, addresses, and sometimes private keys. Stock transactions are secure and regulated. There's investor protection if a brokerage fails. Cryptocurrencies, while secured by cryptography, are subject to hacking. If your crypto is stolen, it's generally impossible to recover. Security largely depends on user practices, like using hardware wallets and secure exchanges. Stocks have a long history of performance, and blue chip stocks have provided steady returns. Cryptocurrencies are newer and have seen periods of explosive growth, but also significant declines. Their performance can be highly unpredictable. Stocks are suited for those seeking steady growth or income through dividends and are ideal for long-term investing. Cryptocurrencies may appeal to those willing to take on more risk for potentially higher returns. They can be suitable for both short-term trading and long-term investing. There's no absolute winner as it depends on individual investor preferences. However, for stability, regulatory protection, and predictable performance, stocks come out ahead. For potential high returns, advanced features like fast transactions and anonymity, cryptocurrencies can be a better choice. It's crucial to understand the risks and benefits of both. Thank you for watching our comparison of stocks and cryptocurrencies. We hope this has helped clarify the differences and similarities between the two. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more informative videos like this.